Today we're changing my fuel tank. Hopefully. What else? My terminals.
Oh, I forgot those.
Yeah.
What's up?
Hey,
What?
I'm right outside.
I'll be right there. Bye.
Bye bye. You want to say something for the video?
Tired. All right, all the way to the left. All the way. More. All right, just go straight. Straight, a little bit to the left. All right, just bring it straight.
We're gonna replace the gas tank on the RSX, which is gonna be a pain. Should only be you know, maybe like a 30 or 40 minute install, but knowing us, we're gonna be here till like 2 in the morning.
Fuel pump too.
And the fuel pump's already in it though.
Oh, we're also changing out the battery terminals.
Gas.
That probably has like what, quarter?
Probably, yeah. I'm getting burnt back here.
All right, chat. Anything you want to say? Kenneth, anything you want to say?
Hopefully Kevin's neighbor doesn't run over my fuel tank.
That is true. That's a good.
Imagine he does.
Oh, well, you'll see.
I forgot to get my chapstick.
I don't have any.
Do you have Vaselina? No? That's fine.
He's recording right now.
Replace it.
2:48. I mean, I'm pointing at the time. I was like 2:40. 2:08.
We're not even. We haven't even started.
Where? Oh, I see them.
No, but so Janine's dad put it right here.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's not bad.
Oh, scratches right here.
It's wet like this area.
That's where it was probably leaking.
Dude, yeah, it's 100% your gas tank. This thing smells like straight dookie, bro. Alright, get me out of here.
Hey, want to explain what's going on? I'm having problems already trying to remove the fuel pump out of that gas. We don't know how long it's been in there, so it's probably a lot of dirt. Just clogging the, what do you call it? I guess the thing to turn.
The threads?
The threads, there you go, yeah. Sorry, I'm retarded.
Evan?
Sorry, I'm retarded.
Well, I don't know. We're barely getting started. Oh, that's a one update. I respray painted it.
You re-spray painted it? You didn't like the green I gave you?
I like the silver. Solid.
I'm gonna be honest, I was talking to Cal, like, what if I get it? I spray paint it like a gold. I'm gonna work on taking out your back seats, buddy.
What reduction?
Hopefully, I don't break them. Robin? Right there, the box.
Back seats are removed. Gunky and ugly, but they're removed. Oh. Let's go look at the other one.
Ooh.
Yeah. Dirty.
How hard would you say it was to take that off?
It's pretty hard. But we can't get the rest of the gas out, so we're gonna go buy a cheap water gun, pump out the rest of it.
Alright, so update number 20. It's 3:10. We're on our way once again to
Harbor Freight, because you know, I told them we needed a water pump to get the fuel out.
You did not tell us.
I know. It's in the bucket though. We did need the bucket. You guys didn't want to get the bucket.
Alright, so favorite store of all time.
Yay.
This is trip number 2 within what, an hour?
Yeah. Honestly,
Trip
nah,
number
not even an hour.
Trip
like
number
40
2 within
minutes.
30 minutes.
Why is there tire?
Hey man, free tires, bro.
Tire what?
There's a tire on the side. I think we should get gloves, though.
You want to get gloves? These are extra large. Large are the blue ones.
I want black, though.
They are black. Oh no.
Right here.
That's medium.
No, like down the bottom.
Oh look. Oh no, that's orange. That's extra large. Oh no, yeah, right here.
He came back. Apart from the pump, we got new jacks, and what else did we buy? An electric pressure washer. Yes. I don't know why.
Because on sale.
Because oh yeah, apart from them being on sale, they want to clean their cars. So yeah.
Alright, so what did we just do?
We pumped out the rest of the fuel that was in the fuel tank into a bucket. We're gonna dump it into a random street.
No, we're gonna legally dump it. We're gonna legally dump it. How's Kevin?
Yeah.
Legally dump it, chat. Remember, safety number 1. Following OSHA rules is number 1. Even if you
Following FEMA rules is number 1. Yeah, I don't think it's a tank.
well, it could be coming from the top. Okay, lift it up.
Start lifting. Remove the top half of the pole. There you go. Make sure it's tight.
Yeah.
Alright, go. Start lifting. That's it. We're good.
So this is
Maybe one more. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so quick update. Almost lost the gas tank. Almost fell on Zair's head, you know, spilling out as well.
Where are you pointing the camera at?
My chin. You know, they got to see my beautiful chin here.
Not patchy like Richards.
Exactly. Fuel pump was...
So
gas was getting through the fuel
power
pump.
wash inside the car?
Just a puddle of gas right here. Look at that.
Jesus. I figured. Yeah, because when I went under the car, like that does not look like the fuel tank looks good still.
So we were sectioning it out. We have that piece connected. We were trying to siphon it out, and one of this fitting right here came off, and
What happened?
it exploded all over his pants.
Oh yeah, had to go quick change, you know.
All right, so while
He's pumping.
hold on. I still don't know how to open this. So while Kenneth finishes pumping, say hi to the camera.
Huh?
Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Me and Kevin, we're gonna just quickly replace terminals because you can see they're kind of. This one's pretty good. The positive's pretty good. This one's kind of messed up. Do you have the box for new ones? Oh, over. These are new ones. So positive. There it is. Alright, so new terminals for the battery are in. Kenneth,
Siphon all the gas.
siphon all the gas. He's just cleaning out the component, or not the components, just the gas, because we did spill some. This is the tank that he bought.
We found out the fuel pump was a problem.
Fuel pump was a problem, not the tank. But we're still replacing
We
everything.
bought it, so we might as well replace it.
Yeah, so we're gonna go into the car, disconnect the hoses we can, that hold tank, and just drop it. You ready? You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Up. It's out.
Oh, that's so much lighter.
Update.
Update, we removed the old fuel tank.
slowly. Well, I'm sure we already said this, but fuel pump was bad. Fuel was leaking through it. The cover was just not good. Seal was cracked. We got a new one somewhere. Oh, over there.
Fuel pump?
And the fuel pump's over there, yeah. And then right now, I guess we're gonna decide whether he wants to keep this one and just clean it up a bit, or if he wants to put the new one in there.
Let's siphon the rest of this and flip it over.
But yeah, we'll show you the rest once we're done.
Who provided the new one?
Huh?
Who provided the new one?
I don't know. I forgot their name. Something Garage though, somewhere in Montevideo, I think. We'll put it at the end.
Well, I'll put it right here. Shout out to them.
Non-Stop Garage, I think that's the name.
Yeah,
Non-Stop Garage.
Yeah.
Shout out Non-Stop Garage.
Very professional. Recommended.
He has actually bought something from there before.
The shifter thingy.
The shifter cables for a Type S RSX that
We could cut that out. They don't even know that.
that he never ended up selling because he broke the
Never ended up using or fixing. It's a
But-
friend of ours. But
Shout out Up Garage. No, not Up Garage.
Non-Stop
Non-Stop Garage. Shout out Non-Stop Garage. All right, update. New fuel tank is now in, properly screwed.
It's in the process of being putting in.
No, the tank is in.
Tank is in.
The tank is in. We're just finishing up with the fuel pump, and then we're gonna wire everything up, making sure everything works now.
We're praying it works.
So,
It's no longer day.
no longer day, obviously. It's not that late. What time is it?
Like 6, we'll say.
Hold on, I have my phone with me.
That's good.
It is 6:41. So it's not that late. We've been here for what, 6 hours basically?
Pretty much.
So this is done. We already tightened up everything. We're going to use some degreaser, clean all of that off. Kevin over there is hooking up the wash, and yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Still not ending though, so update soon.
Oh my god, it moves so easily now.
I wonder why.
Make sure there's no leaks.
That's fine, right? Alright, chat. For the most part, we're done. We're just cleaning, washing up the car. Gotta make it look nice, make it look sharp. We're gonna be getting some food after. So Kevin, sorry, it was 8:39. We're gonna quickly move it so that Kenneth could air dry his car because it was going to be too long if we would try to drive out with his vacuum. So yeah, we're just waiting. He's also gonna make sure fuel pump works right, fuel tank, you know, the basics. Are you good?
Yep.
Now you can rinse them off. Oh yeah. What's up?
You never connected it back.
My bad?
You never connected it back.
It's right there.
That.
Yes, I did.
I did it.
I did. Did look? Is that no? Oh no, it's this, right?
No, it's that one.
No, yeah.
Oh, reset.
Reset.
Is it blinking? Take off the light. Press it again.
Is it a test? Try. So we're finished completely washing his car. Got a tire shine and everything. Now Kevin is just on his way to pump gas and air drive. And then we come back with just a tire shine just so that so we're gonna go eat and stuff. Alright. Passenger Princess once again because my car's so broken down. Where are we going to?
Going to Legends.
We're gonna eat some nice good fried chicken sandwiches. So you gotta catch up with Kevin.
That's a V8.
Love it?
There's a V8.
That's Kevin. I know, but hey, you wanna tell them where we're at?
What?
It's for a YouTube video.
Bro,
Tell them where we're at.
we're at Legends Hot Chicken.
Look at this is boyfriend number 1, boyfriend number 2. They're together.
What the?
You didn't deny it?
I did. That's what I said. What?
We're on April.
What'd you get?
I don't know what it's called. Combo number 1. Like,
Combo number 1 wild, medium.
Barbecue.
Mild?
No, barbecue.
Mom.
is bro still traumatized?
Yeah.
Alright, Richard, first bite.
Oh, you want to take a face back? Light work. No reaction. Ah, no, I'm done. Yeah.
What? Your battery's dead.
Battery died.
No way.
Damn it! I'm pouring it.
Hey, you didn't drink the honey, right? Why not?
I'm good.
Because I heard that this honey makes you want to dudes.
Thank you for watching our video.